Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to write a simple program to convert text to speech using your Visual Basic Windows Form application. This will be a very basic of converting text to speech, but later on you can build upon this application and make your um, bigger application using this. So what I will do is I will take a button from here and I will take a text box and I will change the text of this button as speak. Okay, and now I will select this button and double click it, and in here I will declare a dim object variable and I will name it as sappy as object. And now I will use this sappy object to create an object is equal to create object, and in the bracket I will pass a string. So write double quote and write sappy dot sp voice. Okay, and in the next line I will write sappy, which is my object, dot speak, and inside this I will copy the name of my text box, which is text box 1 dot text. Okay, so when I run my program now and when I enter some text inside this text box, so for example I will write text to speech, and when I click this button it will give me the output as a voice. I don't know if you can hear it, but let me so it converts the text to speech uh, application. It's a demo of text to speech application, and it's a very simple demo. And you must be wondering what this SAPI is and what is this SP voice. So when you go to your browser and just write here SAPI Visual Basic, you will be able to see some links of Microsoft. So SAPI is a project from Microsoft which convert text to speech, and it has lot of capabilities. You can make a full-fledged text to speech converter from this application. You can increase the volume, you can pause the voice, you can make your the reading faster, and many other application you can make with this SAPI object. So if you want to learn more, just go to this page and you will be able to see many more code and many samples from here also. So this was just the basic which I want to show you here, and I wanted to show you that this is the capability, and this thing also exists in Visual Basic.net. So I hope you will build upon this application and make use in your project. So that's it for this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.